Welcome to Winner's Bench. The best SheaMoisture Manuka honey and yogurt is probably one of the most sought-after hair care lines on the market, promising a luxurious blend of natural ingredients to deeply nourish and revitalize your strands, leaving them feeling incredibly soft, manageable, and looking healthier than ever before. If you're on the hunt for a product that can transform dry, damaged hair into a crown of luscious locks, then this collection might just be your holy grail, offering a potent combination of Manuka honey and yogurt protein designed to infuse moisture and strength from root to tip. Number 5. SheaMoisture Manuka Honey and Yogurt Hair Mask. Is your hair feeling dry and damaged? Our Manuka Honey and Yogurt Hydrate and Repair treatment is here to help. It's designed to deeply condition and restore your hair's natural vitality. This powerful treatment is infused with protein to strengthen your strands. It works to repair damage and bring back your hair's healthy look and feel. Experience the nourishing benefits of Manuka honey and yogurt. These key ingredients work together to provide intense moisture and promote hair health. Give your hair the care it deserves. This deep conditioner is formulated to effectively restore and repair even the most damaged hair types. Enjoy a deep conditioning experience that is both gentle and effective. It leaves your hair feeling soft, manageable, and revitalized after each use. You'll receive 2 8-ounce jars of this incredible hair mask. This ensures you have plenty of this restorative treatment on hand for continuous care. What we like? Get double the goodness with this value pack. It delivers intense hydration and protein for powerful repair. If you have very dry or damaged hair and want a long-lasting supply, this 2-pack is perfect for you. What people say. Perfect protein treatment for my fine damaged curly hair. This hair mask is a game changer for dry, damaged hair. The blend of Manuka honey, yogurt, and shea butter provides deep hydration and strengthens my strands. My hair feels stronger and strangely thicker. Just 3 weeks after using this treatment and the Manuka honey and yogurt leave-in spray, and my hair has changed dramatically. I can now see again 80% of my 3B curls. Number 4. SheaMoisture Manuka Honey and Yogurt Hair Mask. Is your hair feeling dry and damaged? Discover the power of our Manuka Honey and Yogurt Hair Mask for deep hydration and repair. This treatment is packed with protein to strengthen your strands. It works to restore vitality and resilience to tired hair. Crafted with organic shea butter and castor oil, it provides essential nourishment. These natural ingredients help to revitalize your hair from root to tip. Specifically formulated for hair that needs extra care. It effectively combats dryness and repairs damage, leaving your hair soft and manageable. Experience a transformation as it replenishes moisture and repairs protein loss. Get ready to reveal healthier, stronger, and more beautiful hair. What we like? Experience a rich, deep conditioning treatment. It's infused with shea butter and castor oil for ultimate nourishment. If you're looking for a luxurious, intensive treatment to restore softness and shine, this is your go-to. What people say. Perfect protein treatment for my fine damaged curly hair. Just 3 weeks after using this treatment and the Manuka honey and yogurt leave-in spray, and my hair has changed dramatically. I can now see again 80% of my 3B curls. Not just that, but every time I use this treatment my hair feels stronger and strangely thicker. This hair mask is a game changer for dry, damaged hair. The blend of Manuka honey, yogurt, and shea butter provides deep hydration and strengthens my strands. I love that it's made with natural ingredients and is free from harsh chemicals. I felt like the first time I used it. My hair felt soft and moisturized. My hair was more alive and it gave me hope. After a few more uses, it gave my hair more definition and I was able to wear my hair out more. Number 3. SheaMoisture Manuka Honey and Yogurt Leave-In Conditioner. Discover the power of our Manuka Honey and Yogurt Multi-Action Leave-In Conditioner. It's designed to deeply nourish and restore your hair. Infused with protein, this treatment works to repair damaged strands and bring back vitality. Say goodbye to frizz and hello to smooth, manageable hair. Whether your hair is curly or damaged, this conditioner is your perfect partner. It provides the essential moisture and strength it craves. Experience a gentle formula that delivers powerful results. It leaves your hair feeling soft, healthy, and revitalized after every use. Make it a part of your routine for continuous hydration and protection. It helps to maintain your hair's natural beauty and resilience. What we like? Enjoy the ease of a leave-in treatment. It effectively controls frizz and enhances curl definition. If you have curly, damaged hair and need a daily solution for manageability and style, this leave-in is ideal. What people say. This product is great for my hair, it leaves it soft and manageable. I love how this product smells, it has a light and pleasant scent. My hair has never looked better since I started using this product. Number 2. SheaMoisture Manuka Honey and Yogurt Hydrate and Repair Shampoo and Conditioner. Discover the power of hydration and repair with our new line. Specifically designed for dry and damaged hair, it brings life back to your locks. Infused with the goodness of Manuka honey and yogurt, this formula deeply nourishes your hair. It works to restore strength and softness from root to tip. Experience the protein power treatment for an intensive boost. It helps to rebuild and fortify damaged strands, reducing breakage and improving overall hair health. Say goodbye to dryness. Our deep conditioner provides intense moisture, leaving your hair feeling incredibly soft and manageable. Revitalize your hair with our repair system. It targets damage, smoothing the cuticle and restoring a healthy shine. Unleash the full potential of your hair with this nourishing collection. Achieve visibly healthier, stronger, and more radiant hair with every use. What we like. Achieve a complete hair care routine with this set. It's designed to hydrate and repair your strands. If you prefer a matching shampoo and conditioner for a holistic approach to dry, damaged hair, this duo is a great choice. What people say. The shampoo cleans thoroughly without drying the hair, the conditioner adds noticeable softness, and the mask provides deep hydration that lasts for days. My hair feels healthier, smoother, and more manageable overall. Highly recommended for dry or damaged hair. It was recommended for use during chemo. Extra rich and really helps keep your hair from becoming brittle. Es bueno, tien un aroma agradable y es suave con el cabello. Además que es muy concentrado, con solo un poco se tien para todo el cabello. Number 1. SheaMoisture Manuka Honey and Yogurt Leave-In Conditioner. Discover the transformative power of our multi-action leave-in conditioner. It's specially formulated to deeply hydrate and repair dry, damaged hair, bringing life back to your locks. Enriched with the nourishing goodness of Manuka honey and yogurt, this spray works to restore your hair's natural vitality. Experience a new level of softness and manageability. If you struggle with dry or damaged hair, this is the solution you've been searching for. It provides essential moisture and helps to mend split ends and breakage. Simplify your hair care routine with this convenient multi-action spray. It detangles, conditions, and protects, making styling easier than ever before. Get more of what you love with this value pack, featuring 2 8-ounce bottles. You'll have plenty of this incredible formula to keep your hair healthy and beautiful. Choose SheaMoisture for healthy, vibrant hair. This leave-in conditioner is your partner in achieving the beautiful, strong hair you deserve. What we like. Opt for a lightweight, sprayable leave-in. It provides instant hydration without weighing hair down. If you like a quick, easy application and need a convenient 2-pack for on-the-go or frequent use, this spray is for you. What people say. Best leave-in moisture for dry hair. Does not look or feel oily, very natural sheen and moisture. Hair always looks clean, other products require washing soon after you use them. This is my favorite leave-in product for curly hair. I have 2 C3A curls and this keeps them so hydrated. My hair is super duper dry, but somehow this leave-in conditioner manages to make it feel soft and bouncy and less frizzy. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.